Okay, let me only tell you what we have discussed in yesterday's session. Yesterday, we were taking a little bit recap of day before yesterday's session. That is what we did. So we discussed how we are performing data analyzing, how we are performing data analysis in real time. Okay. After this, we were also discussing about components of Power BI. Components of Power BI. Can I ask what are the components of Power BI? Yesterday, whosoever attended, like Kusuma, Lijita, sorry, Anupam, do you like to answer? What are the components of Power BI? Yes, guys, please go ahead and respond. This is what, right? Yesterday we discussed components. Yes or no?
Power BI components, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View,
Power
Power
BI services.
Services.
This is how we have connected our first day demo with second day demo, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Guys, please respond. Ask your doubts. I'm gonna help you out. I'm very much friendly more than a trainer. You can make session more interactive and more beautiful. Ask more questions, get more knowledge from me, okay? Don't feel shy, and you're online, you're not even in classroom, so you should able to ask me more questions, correct? Okay. And
Through
apart.
transform load, we can do Power BI desktop, Power BI services,
Mhm.
and you have also told how to what is roles and responsibility and everything of data analyst.
Correct. Thank you, Anupam. Thank you so much. So after this, we discussed about agenda. Entire agenda, what all I'm teaching in all the modules like your Power BI, MySQL, Advanced Excel, and your Python, Git, everything. Correct. So this is what we discussed. And today we are going to start with our sessions. And we are starting with which module? Advanced Excel with basic to practicals. And we have given you this session free. Till yesterday demos are done. Today's session you can see the way I'm teaching. We are starting with Excel. Let's go and start. Okay. I hope everyone will be having Excel in your system. So now let me go and share one sheet with you. Go and share one sheet with you. 1 second. Go and share one sheet with you. And you guys can actually download it. Let me share. One second. It's getting downloaded. Just a minute. So basically, I can show you my drive as well. This is how the data sets would be like this. Some Excel files you can see here. Multiple Excel files. Only Excel I'm showing. If I randomly let me pick one file, maybe 10 or 11 I'll pick. Just to show you. Can you see? This is a most popular formula VLOOKUP. On VLOOKUP, you have different things like VLOOKUP basic, VLOOKUP with basic, VLOOKUP with match, Again, VLOOKUP with match, VLOOKUP trim. Sorry, you're able to see my screen, guys?
Yes,
Able to
ma'am.
see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now able to see.
I'll come from the beginning. I randomly opened one Excel date and file. One popular formula VLOOKUP. On that, how many examples I'm giving, the way I teach, I'm just telling you. First, you can see here match function, VLOOKUP basic, VLOOKUP with match. I'm just telling only with VLOOKUP how many examples we are looking. Then we look up with the trim, match, and if error. Okay, so multiple combinations we are doing. And also, how can you use nested VLOOKUP? Here, output is not there. You have two tables here, table 1 and table 2. This is nothing but nested VLOOKUP. We are going to teach. Only one VLOOKUP concept. We are doing this many. And also the restrictions I'll separately write, like, we cannot pull from left side data, a limitation. Then we look up using wildcards, like your star, underscore, question mark, whatever it is, wildcards. Like this, many examples only for one formula we are giving. Okay. And here, everything like that only. Multiple examples I'll give so that you guys can explore and be perfect with that concept. And here you can see a lot of homework is given like this, and even the definition is given. Then we look up with tricks. How can you do this? We look up with tricks. Nested we look up. Like, how can you combine a single table from four tables? For example, from this four tables, you're supposed to get designation, department, location. From these four tables, how can you combine into one table? In that way, only using VLOOKUP with different methods, I'm giving you example. This is something I'm just showcasing you because it's still a demo, right? So that you will understand how much we are trying to make students understand. Okay, and everywhere everything is a ready-made Excel sheet. Even Power BI data sets, everything will be there. You are given space to do. You don't have to work space to do. In the classroom, I will say, and you guys will go and do it. Okay. Now let me download my day one file. We are going to start from today, right? I'm going and downloading my day one file. Okay. So I'll just go to my downloads and I will go and share you my day one file to you guys. And I'm giving you time. Please go and download this and confirm me. At least put it in a chat box. I will understand. Then I will go and start. Okay. I have given. Please go and download it. Open and be ready and say yes. Or put some thumbs up. I have 7 students, 6 to 7 students. I need from everyone. Then we'll start up with this. Okay. Yeah. We'll start with Flash. Will everyone say yes? Then we'll be starting off. Done, everyone? Yes. Lijita, Anupam, confirmed, ma'am, we have downloaded. What about others? Others are logging from laptop only, right? I yesterday only said we are doing our first practicals. Okay, guys, data types I will take tomorrow because first day it would be very boring because again it's like theory. I just wanted to show some practicals, right? Now, as I said, if you guys remember in yesterday's session, I said first we will be starting basics and then we'll go with advanced. Okay. Now I also said under basic, we are going to do static methods, means static formulas or functions, or whatever we do. Next, we'll go with dynamic, dynamic functions or formulas. So under basic, maybe I'll put like this. Okay. Under basic, your static comes, under advanced dynamic comes. Now here, the, for any problem, there would be multiple solutions. For any problem, there would be multiple solution. There can be a one-time solution. Sometimes, one-time solution comes here. Sometimes you need to give solution every day. You need to give solution every day. Means all the time it has to work on this solution. It's not a one-time solution. Means dynamic is something human intervention is not needed. If you give solution once, it will keep on updating every time. But here, all the time you should be back of it. So that's what we are going to start with a basic. Now today's concept I'm going to explain is flash fill. I'm going to explain a concept called flash fill. Okay. What does this flash fill will do means it will help you to update thousands and millions of data without doing anything, only one keyword, a magical keyword we will use and it will be helping you. For example, we have to follow some limitations. Before that, let me show you what it is doing. You have some names here. Out of these names, please follow these headers as a business requirement or questions. In first column, it is asking to get your first name in a proper case. What is a proper case? First letter is capital, remaining letters are small. First letter is capital, remaining letters are small. So go here, do nothing. Type manually. First letter capital, remaining letters small. Only first name. Can you see? In Swati Madam, you are typing only Swati in a proper case. After this, what you have to do? Control. One second. Control E. What you're supposed to do, you should enter Control E. Can you see? You got output? You got Prakash, Suresh, Sravanthi, Virat, everything in a proper case. You guys are able to see?
Yes.
Isn't it so good? One shortcut key, Control E, is helping you. Like that, let me take last name. Matam, capital M, small a, T, A, M. Enter, say Control E. Again, see, I'm following these headers. Don't get confused. Again, he's saying, can you put first name in capital letters? Of course. Everything in capital letters. Swati, just type what it is. Don't type spelling mistake. It will not give you output. Just type and say Control E. Now, can you see a pattern here? Last name, comma, first name. So, last name is Madam, comma, first name is Swati. Control E. You guys understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. It's Magica.
It's what it is?
It's magic.
Magic. Nice. So learning one shortcut key, you're not writing any formula, you're not doing anything. Just you're typing and you're saying flash fill. Control it. That's it. Here you're able to say 10 or 20 data, but in real time it's millions. Normally, how do we do? If I ask you to type this first name, how do you type like this? You go, you write capital, you switch on your caps lock, Swati, enter, Prakash, enter, Suresh, enter, Shravanti. Means it's like your data entry job. But we are not doing data entry job. We are data analyst. So using some smart keywords, we are going to do this. Correct. Now, before I explain about this email ID and pattern, I'm giving you time now. Go and do this 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and let me know you're done. If you're not able to do, share your screen. If you're not able to do, share your screen. I'm going to guide you. And this is the pattern what I'm going to follow throughout the sessions. Okay? Yes. Please go ahead and do this, guys. Everyone. What it is? Type name, say control E. Please do this 4 columns. Guys, if you're done, you're supposed to tell me, okay? Anupam, Lijita, Rama, everyone, you're supposed to tell me, okay? Yes. Everyone done? Anupam done, Lijita done. Only 2 people are done. Anupam and Lijita. Others are not responding. Okay, fine, no problem. Now, let me go with um, the limitations of it. Can you see the limitation here? Basically, whenever you use, the pattern should be a same pattern. For example, in first word it has a space, and second word it has a underscore. You are not supposed to do it. First word it has a pulley stop and another is having comma. It will not work. If you do also, it will not work. Pattern should be same, and there should be a delimiter. Delimiter is nothing but this is delimiter. Here the delimiter is space, comma, underscore, pulley stop, dot. All these are known as your delimiters. There should be a delimiters which will help you to separate the data, and you should have the delimiters. And next, if you're having 2 words, all the names should have 2 words. First name has 2 words, second name has 3 words, it will not work. Even if it work, it will give you wrong output. If you have 3 words, all the names should be 3 words. If it is 4, all the names should be 4. The pattern should be followed. And again, if you leave a gap, you are not supposed to leave a gap. For example, let me go here. I'm removing this. Okay. And I'll go and I'm trying to give here a gap. There is a gap. I'll try now. Swati. Say control E. What is happening? Till where is the data continuing? There only it is coming. Remaining part it is not coming. Why? Because there is a gap in here. So gap should not be there. Do not leave the gap. No alternate columns as well. It should be continuation. And I'm looking for a static result. It's a one-time result. For example, if I go and give here some name, we have Anupam, right? I will go and give here his name, Anupam Kumar. Does it automatically updated, or even if I drag it, it should update, right? When I'm drag it, what it is coming? Shanti. Santi. It's not correct. I'm supposed to get Anupam, right? It will come only if you go and say again. It will not come. It's a static result. So this is how you'll get errors. For example, let me write Shanti and do. It's not working just because it's a static result. It's just because it's a static result. Okay, this is how you're getting error because it should be in a same pattern, something like that. Okay, so here this is useful only when your manager asked you, your manager has given you some list and he asked you, can you fill up this data and give me? That's all. Can you fill up this data and give me? And he will be telling you, I'm going to use it only for one day. It is something that it cannot be it is not something that it should not be updated every day. Only for one day I need this. Then you should say yes and you should be okay. Got it? So this is the limitations you have whenever you use flash fill. Clear? Anupam, Lijita, Devara Setti. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's look into a few more examples here. With this, not only words, but you can also do a mail ID. For example, we are working for some company, let's say HSBC, Genpact, whatever. How the mail ID would be first name dot last name at the rate of hsbc.com or genpact.com or any dot coms it will come. Correct. Any dot coms it will come. Correct. It's a very much common pattern. In that case, for example, they are asking to type for this 10 people. I'm going and typing like this Swati dot Matam at the rate of maybe I'll put gmail.com. Again, I have to write Prakash dot Ramanchandran. See, for Chandran spelling, I'm just confused at the rate of gmail.com. Instead of writing like this, do nothing, type one, type this one, say Control E. Very easily it is generating mail IDs also. Swati dot Matam at the rate of gmail.com. Say Control E. That's all. See, you can generate mail IDs for many things. No one is going to do data entry here, but just use your Control E, you're done. This is your homework. Get your last name in lowercase. Okay? I hope you guys understood about this email ID. I'm giving you time. Let me look into a few more examples. Okay, this is already filled up. Guys, please go and delete. If something is already filled up, okay, in few cases it is filled up, please go and delete and redo it. Okay, maybe it not cleaned very well. Now, out of this file path, I wanted to fetch a single folder from last one. Maybe I wanted to fetch some product blog or my pics Excel material. So here, go and type some product blog. Some product blog. Out of this file path also, but it is having same kind of, this thing. Delimiter is also same. Click enter and it's gonna give you that. So whatever my pics Excel material you all got it. From a file part you can extract the folder name. And even from a website link, I wanted to extract the just company name. See, it is in the middle, right? Between .com and www. Just go and say Microsoft Control E. Isn't it wonderful, guys? It's helping. Many scenarios you're helping, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Kusuma, you got yesterday's recording, Kusuma? Can you reply now, Kusuma, for your question? Do you got yesterday recording? Basically, they are going to send you recording in the mail. Please check, there would be a follow-up mail, right? In that follow-up mail, you will be getting a recording. I'm typing for you. I'm not sure whether you're listening to me. In follow-up mail, they will be
They
sending
are
you.
not giving. They are not sending any video.
Have you got any follow-up mail,
So
Anupam,
many mails, 50 plus mails coming daily.
from Durgasoft?
Daily, yeah. At the time of the class start, daily 50 to
So,
60
in
mails.
that mail, whatever the mail you got, scroll down. When you scroll down, there would be some link. You have to scroll down. In that particular link, you will be able to see the videos. So today you will get last two recordings. Tomorrow you'll get last three recordings. Can you check once, Anupam?
Ma'am, can you repeat the process, ma'am? I have a glitch in logging in
No
the
problem.
account.
Suma, you are getting a follow-up mail. Follow-up mail.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm typing also
Yes,
here
ma'am.
for you. In follow-up mail, scroll down. You will find
Okay, ma'am.
a link. Okay, you will find some
Okay, ma'am.
URL link. That is a YouTube link or some link. Google Drive or YouTube link. Click on it, you will able to watch the recording.
YouTube videos.
Huh.
I have got.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you open and see?
Okay.
Anupam? Just view and confirm me if you guys are getting. If not getting, no, I can
Yes,
follow
demo
up.
1 and demo 2 is there.
Perfect. Okay, Anupam and Kusuma, you also got it? Everyone will get.
Ma'am, I did not get it, ma'am.
You didn't got follow-up mail?
Ma'am, as per today's session, they have sent me the link. But like, I'm not getting, ma'am.
YouTube link. YouTube link.
In that mail only you will get
Okay, ma'am. Demo
below.
link, demo videos. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good.
Yeah, ma'am, I got it. Yes,
You
ma'am.
got it.
Yeah,
Very
thank you.
good. No problem. Yeah. And guys, you all know, right? Today is the last free session. From Monday, we are changing the link. Right? I told demo day one only. So that is why I'm giving you this session free that you will just try to understand how the ma'am is teaching and how Excels are like how the data is arranged. Is it easy way to get it or not? Okay. So after today, Monday, by Monday you have to enroll yourself. Monday the link will change and you have to start off. Okay? Anupam, Kusuma, Lijita, Devarasati got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, I'll give you time. You guys can do this thing. Company name, extract company name, some folder, and also this mail ID. Giving you 1 or 2 minutes time, everyone go and do it. Okay. Guys, if you stuck anywhere also, I will be giving you access to share your screen. You can share, I will annotate and you can work on it. Okay?
I'm working on it.
Okay, once done, confirm in chat box. I'll continue. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, Anupam. Done.
A problem coming in this day, month, and year.
Okay, I
Uh,
didn't tell this, right?
okay,
You're
okay.
done till here, correct?
Yeah, yes,
Okay,
correct.
fine. Now let me go and tell. So here it will not. Let me copy paste this one. Some data missing. Here we can only able to see only year, not day. I'll tell you why. I'll go and give 2022 and I'll say control E. Can you see the data is working well? Yes or no? But if I go and give
Yes,
25, do you think the data is working well? It looks good
yes,
on.
yes.
Correct. I'll go and give 06. 1 second.
When we are going to type same as
Can you see?
the date, then it will, if unique data is coming in.
Correct. But if I go and give 06 and say control E, 1 second. If I go and give, see, I'm not giving 606, control E. Still how it is coming? One letter. But here you have 11, 11, 11. So it will not always work. It only work for few things because it is static. In this case, you need some formulas like left, mid, right. Those formulas will work. So how much advantage is there? Few restrictions are also there. Getting my point? Anupam, Lijita, Devarasetti.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, I'll come to this later on. It's a condition where it is doing. I'll come to this later on. Let us see if it is working for mobile number as well. Here I wanted to add a hyphen in between. So I wanted to add for every three digits 829 hyphen 744 hyphen 4777. Like this I wanted to add, but you should make sure you're adding it correctly. Because there is a space, it didn't come here. But can you see how beautifully it has come? You can add some separator also. Now, for example, you have separator here. You wanted to remove the separator, just go and remove. 302074965. What I'm doing, I'm removing the separator. I'll say control E. It worked, right? So how many benefits are there? I'm not only showing you how the Flash will work with one example, but I'm showing you with multiple examples. It can remove separator, it can add separator, it can also work for dates, it works for numbers, it can add for mail IDs, many things. Then
Yes, ma'am.
again, I'll show you two more things and give you time. Okay. There is something called remarks. For our Indian mobile numbers, what is the prefix? For
Plus
our
9
Indian
1.
9 1. So I'll go and add 9 1, 8 2, 9 7, 4 7. Okay, 9 1, 8 2, 9 7, 4 7, and I'll say controlling. See how beautifully you can add some prefix also. It will not only work like if you have single column you work. Now, for example, you have two columns here and you wanted to make a statement. You say employee 1 sales is 1,000. So you added this sales is, you took employee 1 from this column, 1,000 from this column, and say control E. Right. See, you can write my MP1 sales is 1,000. You can write whatever statement you want, but this two things should be there in your statement. This employee 1 should be there and this value should be there, and it will create a statement. Got it? Guys, now go and do it. If any doubts, let me know.
Yes.
These two things you do, and I'll take up this tomorrow because I wanted to give time for your practicals. After that, your doubts. Okay, please go and do this. I'm keeping screen like this, little bit like this. I'll keep so that you guys can watch this output. Go and do it. Go and do it, everyone. Yes, done. Anupam said yes, done. Ma'am, I'm so sorry. Okay, fine. Anyone wanted to share screen? Lijita, something like that? Okay. Yes, Lijita. Lijita and Anupam, I can see you two are left. Go ahead and ask your doubts if you have any.
No,
Please go
ma'am,
ahead and
it's
ask
done.
your doubts. You guys are good? Good with timings as well, 8:30 to 9:30?
Yes, ma'am. That is
Oh,
perfect time for
perfect
me.
time, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Please go ahead and enroll yourself. Monday, I'll be seeing you in a different link. Okay? Anything else you guys can ask? That's why I kept 10 minutes buffer because yesterday you guys asked the doubts, right? If today also have any doubts, go and ask. Like, tomorrow, I mean Monday, we'll go and do all this. Okay, and after that we'll get into our
Ma'am,
day two.
these formulas will be work in our normal Excel also, right?
Correct.
So if like if I want to check it on my normal Excel, like in daily, because I'm working in MIS only, daily working on Excel, big data, like files, I'm working daily.
Hmm.
So how can I use these things? Because that's why I came to know this advanced Excel and all, because this will less my work effort.
This is your work. So you're saying how should I use this formula in
Ha,
your...
ha. Yes,
Oh,
yes.
just a control E. You're done.
Okay.
That's all. No, whatever you're doing here, do there. Maybe you don't know this formula till yesterday.
No,
Correct?
ma'am.
Then you're already working on Excel. You don't know this formula means you have a lot more to learn from me.
That's why I joined this. I want to join this class
Yes, yes.
because
Go ahead. You learn.
I'm working manually on Excel.
No, no, no. Why you
Something
have
I know, something I know, but
energy?
very less knowledge.
That's what I'm saying. Don't waste your time in, doing manual work. Let's learn some beautiful formulas. You already have access to your real-time data. You're already working in Excel. So whatever you do it here, try to do there and see how much time you are saving. You're really saving a lot of time. End of the day, we are supposed to save time. Correct. Anupam?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, daily
Likita?
8 to 10 hours I'm working
Eight.
on Excel.
No, that's what. So
Um,
you will be learning a lot today. I
uh,
mean, from this session.
yes.
Don't worry. Lijita, anything you wanted to speak up? Lijita? No? Okay. So I hope, Lijita, for you also timings are very much settled. So you guys please go ahead and join. Maybe every time we will have 10, 15, 20. Unfortunately, this time, not sure why less students joined the demo, but it's fine completely. Sometimes up and down. So I wanted you guys to go ahead and enroll and continue sessions from Monday. Okay. So
For
meanwhile,
me, its timing is very good because my office time is 7:30, 8 o'clock. I came to home.
okay.
So
And these
after
timings
refresh,
are comfortable.
actually, I'm looking for this timing only because after I need some 30 to 15 to 30 minutes for refresh
Great.
myself. Then I go for this
Correct,
teaching.
correct, correct. So the timings will be never changed. It will be 8:30, 9:30, and we are dealing this timings from many years. Why? Because most of the working professionals will join our course and it is good for them. Correct.
Actually, last time I joined same classes in DurgaSoft only, but because of after demo they have changed the timing.
Actually,
So because they started with 8:30 only, but after demo, uh, all people are telling to start from 7 o'clock. But
no, no, this is
seven,
8:30 batch only. Don't worry.
uh,
Okay?
that's why I leave that class after demo.
No problem. Yes. Fine
Because
then.
seven I was there in meeting only. Like last time is there, so at least I need 30 minutes to travel to home. So
Hmm.
that's why.
That's true, but this time I'm saying you there is no change in the timings. It's 8:30 to 9:30. Even
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can cross
Thank you.
verify with the admin also. Okay?
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Chalo. Bye everyone. Take care. Good night.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Happy weekend also.